Hi everyone. Today, let's learn some English words for musical instruments. Piano. She plays the piano beautifully every evening. Cello. The cello has a deep and rich sound. Guitar. She bought a new guitar for his birthday. Flute. The musician learned to play the flute when he was 10. Violin. I enjoy listening to the violin in classical concerts. Trumpet. He joined the school band and plays the trumpet. Clarinet. The clarinet is a popular instrument in jazz music. Drums. She practices the drums for an hour every day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.